What's good, everybody? Welcome back to Stompin Stocks. Just want to say thank you for the feedback and subscribing, folks. Really appreciate it, and it really helps me, keeps me motivated, knowing that you guys watch and appreciate my videos. So let's keep it pushing and let's get into it, Stompers. So this week's video is going to be my Stompin Picks. We're just going to start off with 3 this week, and then so on and so forth. We'll see what we can do about them. But let's go into my number 1 play, which is obviously opti international. If you guys hopped on from the first video, I called it out at 8.5 cents. It hit a high of 12 cents. So you made about 30-40% movement, but that was just one day. So it had a solid Monday. We was on point on the initial video. It touched Diamond. We had great momentum until 12 cents. But it got shorted, unfortunately. I hear Timothy Sykes Group was in on this ticker, so if you guys aren't unfamiliar with him, he's like this big trader that trades penny stocks and stuff, but he teaches a lot of shorting. So when people buy a ticker and then he tells somebody to sell, a lot of people sell off, and it looks like that's what happened about right here, which dropped it from the 12 cents. But I mean, it could just be the stock itself, but the community knows him pretty well, so I'm pretty sure that's what it was. But anyways, hope you folks didn't get scared and sell your shares. It was just a little shake. The news is still at 1:30 tomorrow for the annual shareholder meeting. So that's what we're eyeing at, the $2 billion deal. They had 3M masks. We had a bunch of pictures on Twitter leaked, or not leaked, people were just visiting the office. So that's what was nice. I'll include those in the video, hopefully, so you guys can see them on the screen. But I'm really excited. That's why opti is number 1. And let's move into our second play, guys. Second play is gonna be neca, NECA, ticker symbol NECA. So honestly, it would be my number 1, but you guys know opti is, I'm such a long in opti, I just have to ride the wave. Opti is too good right now. It's gonna be my number 1 spot, but neca is number 2. We're hitting a high of day today on Monday, which was 79, which we closed at, which is amazing. The stock is doing well. It's taking ladder steps. It's moving up. So the base on this ticker is it's connected to two other tickers, SANP, which is a blockchain stock. It has to do with mining company, Bitcoin. That's hot. The other ticker is NAFS, which is telemedicine. I'm gonna put a screenshot on the screen, hopefully, so you guys can see it. But neca Holdings website changed to a telemedicine for a quick second in Japan, so some people caught that and screenshotted it and sent it over. We'll see if that's true. There was also a leak. Somebody did some good technical work and found out the IP addresses of all 3 companies were coming from the same IP. Not sure exactly how you do that, but I'm not sure if there's somebody spending all their time doing all this bullshit just to post it. I think this ticker is solid so far. It's showing some signs of a really healthy chart. It's been pushing new highs, and it looks very solid for a penny. I've been in since about 0.004. I really don't know the saying of half a penny, I would say. It's about to hit a penny now. I believe this Tuesday it should hit a penny, and we should be alright, and we should be sailing. So you guys, it's not too late to hop in neca. I really recommend hopping into this stock, especially since it's connected to 2 other tickers. Let's go into our final ticker, SFOR. So if you guys have been watching the news lately, or news, I don't know, say stock news or what, any type of news really, Zoom has been kind of talked about a lot because of the fact of all the Chinese stuff that was going on. Believe that they were releasing recordings of Zoom meetings and giving out information, so the stock has heavily fell off from that. But since that's going on, the market is going to need a product. when demand hits, SFOR is going to be that ticker. What SFOR is, if you guys didn't see, I have a separate video on SFOR that kind of, does its due diligence about the ticker. But it's just a video communications app or website. They're still working on it. It has 5 levels of security. You're not able to, decrypt the audio, mic, keyboard, clipboard settings, anything like that. So basically, you're just video chatting. It's really safe. You don't have to worry about that. You're just using a burner phone, if you want to say. That's my best way to describe it. And that's the way it should be. There shouldn't be any recordings or leaked information, and you shouldn't be having to worry about stuff like that. So SFOR has been moving very nicely. So when SFOR first wrote up, we'll look at the 10-day. So yeah, here it consolidated after 3 cents to about 4.5 cents. After 4.5 cents, we had heavy consolidation, and then we had some news drop about SFOR having the safe fee chat communication website updated from the distributor, so that jumped it up to a little about 6 cents, which has been gaining momentum. The chart looks like it's on a reversal here. It's really looking well. Looks like it's taking it's stepping right now. It's taking ladder steps right now. It goes from here to here. Looks like we're going to be at a dime soon. And I think we're going to be touching 20 cents in no time once news drops. I'm going to show you guys a few screenshots based on my DD, and hopefully it convinces you guys to, have a small position in this ticker, because it's going to be good for 2021. Other than that, guys, those are my 3 tickers for this video. I really appreciate it for you guys watching. These are the Stompin Picks, man. 3 picks for this week. If you guys want to maybe do 5 picks or maybe 6 picks or something like that, let me know if you guys want me to increase the number. Other than that, 2021 looks pretty promising. I'm looking forward to, setting up new plays and bringing you guys along. I really would love to touch on some EV plays now that Biden is president. Clean energy is the wave right now. Charging stations instead of gas stations, EV cars, little stuff like that. I feel like that's just gonna be it, and I'm really looking to find some new tickers with you guys. So other than that, thanks for watching, guys. Keep stomping, man.